Munchies! Yeah, so, son, yeah, so, you trying to make you some coffee? Nigga, you're not that. I'm not one of your friends. You don't talk to your father like that, champ. Make me some fucking coffee right now. You brought me in just to make coffee? Yes, I brought you in to make me coffee. Get to it. Here. Thank you. I can go now? No, you can't go. You know I like my shit with sugar. Put some sugar in that shit. What's wrong with you? Here. Happy? Oh, what's wrong with you? What do you want? Where's the creativity in that? I want something new, out of the box. Alright? Something trending. Get to it. You want something trending? I got you. Grab a mixer. Until something is like this. Whip it. Flatten it out. Alright, the special you wanted. Here. Thank you. Just one more. Yo! Just for fun. Try this out real quick. I actually like this idea. Good job. Go!